Chia seeds have a reputation for being a superfood, but what actually happens when you eat them every day? Will they boost your energy, improve your skin, help you lose weight? Let's find out. Before we start, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy health hacks. 1. You'll feel happier. Stressed or drained. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3s, which boost your mood and fight anxiety. Think of them as tiny happiness boosters. 2. You'll sleep better. They contain tryptophan, which helps your body relax and produce melatonin, so you can actually fall asleep faster and wake up rested. 3. Your teeth and bones will strengthen. Packed with calcium, zinc, and phosphorus, chia seeds help keep your teeth cavity-free and your bones strong, no matter your age. 4. Your cholesterol and blood sugar will stay in check. Chia seeds act like a natural filter, flushing out bad cholesterol and keeping your blood sugar stable, so you avoid energy crashes and sugar spikes. 5. Your heart will be healthier. With fiber, protein, and omega-3s, chia seeds reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and lower blood pressure, keeping your heart running smoothly. 6. Your workouts will feel easier. Want more energy and faster recovery? Chia seeds fuel your body before workouts and help muscles recover after, all without energy crashes. 7. You'll stay fuller longer and may lose weight. Chia seeds expand in your stomach, keeping you full for longer. Less snacking, fewer cravings. An easy way to support weight loss. 8. Your skin will look healthier. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, which help clear your skin, reduce acne, and give you a natural glow. No fancy skincare needed. How to eat chia seeds the right way. Stick to about 2 tablespoons a day. More isn't always better. Soak them in water overnight for the best benefits. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for an easy health boost. So, what do you think? Would you try eating chia seeds daily? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy health tips.